Today, I want to talk about something that might seem unbelievable to some. It's about using affirmations to change your mindset around abundance, wealth, and yes, even winning the lottery. You see, abundance is a natural part of life. It's not reserved for a select few. Everyone has the power within them to attract wealth and prosperity, no matter where they are right now. The idea that we can consciously use affirmations to open ourselves to greater abundance, even something as significant as a lottery win, isn't far-fetched. It's about understanding how the power of our thoughts shapes our reality, and affirmations are incredibly powerful because they help us shift our thinking patterns. When we constantly tell ourselves that we are not deserving or that wealth is something beyond our reach, we create limitations in our lives. But when we start speaking affirmations, we begin to create new possibilities. Our subconscious mind begins to accept these positive thoughts, and it opens doors that we may have never considered possible before. It's important to realize that affirmations are not about magically making things appear out of thin air. Instead, they are tools that help you align your thoughts with the energy of abundance. By regularly affirming that you are open to receiving wealth and prosperity, you change the way you interact with the world. Your actions, decisions, and even the opportunities you notice will start to shift. The universe is always ready to give, but we must be willing to receive. If you want to attract something specific like a lottery win, it's crucial to focus not on the outcome itself, but on the energy of abundance. Instead of saying, "I will win the lottery," affirm, "I am open to receiving unexpected wealth. I trust that the universe is always bringing me abundance." This way, you are not limiting yourself to one form of wealth, but opening up to many possibilities for financial growth. When you repeat these affirmations daily, you are training your mind to expect prosperity. You start to release the fear and doubt that often blocks abundance. The more you release these negative thoughts, the more you allow the positive energy of wealth to flow into your life. But note, it's not just about repeating the words. You must feel the truth of these affirmations in your heart. Speak to them with belief. Visualize yourself already living in abundance, feeling the joy, the freedom, and the peace that comes with financial security. And when you align your feelings with your thoughts, you create a powerful vibration that draws prosperity toward you. Many people have used affirmations to shift their financial situations, and they've seen incredible results. The key is consistency and belief. Don't get discouraged if things don't change overnight. Sometimes it takes time for your energy to shift and for opportunities to manifest in your life. Trust the process and continue to affirm your openness to wealth. It's also helpful to practice gratitude for the abundance you already have. When you're grateful for the money and resources you currently possess, no matter how little or how much, you attract more of it. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for abundance. Each time you spend money, say to yourself, "I am grateful for the flow of wealth in my life. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." By focusing on the positive aspects of your financial situation, you cultivate an energy of abundance that invites more prosperity. In addition to affirmations, it's important to be mindful of the beliefs you hold about money. Many of us grow up with limiting beliefs about wealth. We may think that money is scarce, that it's hard to come by, or that only certain people can be wealthy. These beliefs can keep us stuck in financial struggles, but the truth is, money is simply energy, and it's available to all of us. When we change our beliefs about money, we change our relationship with it. One powerful affirmation you can start using today is, "I release all limiting beliefs about money and open myself to the flow of unlimited wealth." This affirmation helps to clear out the old patterns of thinking that may be blocking your prosperity. As you say it, visualize those old beliefs dissolving and being replaced by new, empowering thoughts about money. Another important practice is to be aware of how you speak about money in your daily life. Avoid saying things like, "I can't afford that," or "money is always tight." Instead, use empowering language like, "I choose to spend my money wisely," or "I am always provided for." Your words have a powerful influence on your reality. So speak about money in a way that reflects abundance, not lack. The journey to financial abundance is as much about inner transformation as it is about outer actions. By changing your thoughts and beliefs about money, you are creating the conditions for wealth to enter your life. And as you continue to use affirmations, practice gratitude, and release limiting beliefs, you will begin to see shifts in your financial situation. You may even find that opportunities for unexpected wealth, like a lottery win, start to present themselves. But whether or not that specific outcome occurs, know that you are always supported by the universe. Abundance is your birthright, and by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with wealth, you are opening the door to endless possibilities. So take a moment each day to affirm your openness to abundance. Speak words of prosperity, visualize yourself living a life of financial freedom, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Whether it's through a lottery win or another unexpected opportunity, know that wealth is on its way to you. Believe in your power to create the financial life you desire, and watch as the universe responds in amazing ways. Now let's explore a deeper aspect of affirmations and how they can help in attracting abundance in ways we haven't discussed yet. One of the key principles that often gets overlooked is the role of emotions in manifestation. It's not just about speaking the affirmations aloud or thinking them in your mind. It's also about feeling the truth behind those words. When you say an affirmation like, "I am open to receiving wealth in unexpected ways," I'd like to receive that wealth. It's the feeling of joy, relief, and excitement that truly activates the energy needed to bring about change in your life. Think about a time when you've been genuinely excited about something coming your way. Perhaps it was a gift, an unexpected surprise, or a moment of good fortune. That rush of positive energy you felt in that moment is the exact energy you want to tap into when you say your affirmations. This emotion, combined with the power of positive words, sends a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to welcome more abundance into your life. Another powerful tool to complement your affirmations is visualization. Visualization works hand in hand with affirmations because it helps you see yourself already in the situation you desire. When you can vividly picture yourself experiencing the abundance you seek, it becomes more tangible, more real. For instance, if you're using affirmations to win the lottery or attract unexpected financial blessings, visualize yourself holding that winning ticket, or visualize the relief of paying off all your debts or fulfilling your biggest dreams. The clearer the picture, the more you align your energy with what you want. Along with visualization, gratitude is an extremely effective practice in this process. Start to give thanks in advance for the wealth and abundance that is coming your way. Thank the universe for the opportunities you're about to receive, even before they arrive. This act of faith demonstrates your trust in the process and signals that you're ready to receive. As we conclude, I want to leave you with some important thoughts to carry with you. It's easy to get caught up in the how and when of attracting abundance, but the real key to success with affirmations is to release the need to control the outcome. Instead, focus on maintaining a positive mindset, trusting the process, and knowing that wealth and abundance are natural and available to you. And if you found this message helpful, I'd love for you to show your support. One simple way you can do that is by clicking the like button below. It helps this message reach more people, spreading positive energy across the world. And if you want to hear more messages like this, subscribing to this channel is the best way to stay connected. I'll be sharing more insights, affirmations, and guidance that can help you align with abundance, joy, and all the wonderful possibilities life has to offer. Don't forget to turn on notifications as well. That way you'll never miss a new video and you'll always be in tune with messages that can inspire and uplift your spirit. If you feel that someone else could benefit from hearing this, share this video with them. A small action like sharing can make a big difference in someone else's journey toward abundance. Lastly, drop a comment below and let me know what affirmations you're using to bring more wealth into your life. I'd love to hear about your experiences, and your words could encourage someone else who's looking for a way to transform their mindset. Your input matters, and it helps to create a beautiful exchange of energy where we can all grow together. Thank you for being here today, and I look forward to connecting with you again in future videos. Stay open to the flow of abundance in your life and trust that you are on the path to receiving all the good that the universe has to offer. Stay tuned for more, and until then, keep affirming your worth, your wealth, and your power to create the life you desire. Each step you take, every word you speak, and every thought you focus on brings you closer to the abundance you seek. You are deserving of every good thing, and the universe is always working in your favor.